टूल सो क्या है रिटेल मेट? रिटेल मेट एक B2B मार्केट प्लेस है जहाँ पे ब्रांड्स को हम लोग कई सारे सर्विस प्रोवाइडर से, सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोवाइडर से कनेक्ट करवाते हैं. दैट्स द एसेंस ऑफ द थिंग एंड वी हेल्प देम ग्रो सेल्स एज वेल, especially on Amazon and some other portals. So that is largely what we're trying to do with RetailMate. Cool. We built this over last 2 months and now it is ready. We can show it to the world. We have a few customers. Okay, one thing I forgot, we even help in hiring as well. Brands have asked us for trained people for their e-commerce team. So all in all, we are trying to be a platform where D2C brand can access most of the services that are needed for them to succeed. It's a very lonely journey for the brand owner. Somebody starts something, they have to learn so many things within the first 3, 4, 5 months. They have no helping hand, almost no money. So we want to be a platform where they can come and get most of their requirements fulfilled. जैसे कि मैं अगर आपको एग्जांपल दूँ, कार्डबोर्ड जैसी एक सिंपल चीज़ होती है. हर ऑर्डर पैक होके जाता है, उसके लिए आपको कार्डबोर्ड चाहिए होती है. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग, बट पहले दूसरे महीने में आपको कई इटरेशंस करने पड़ते हैं, वेंडर्स बदलने पड़ते हैं जो आपको अलग अलग तरीके की क्वालिटी, अलग तरीके के रेट ऑफ़र करेंगे. एंड देन फाइनली यू सेट इट इन 3-4 मंथ्स, 5 मंथ्स, एक जाके आपको 2 जाके फाइनली मिलते हैं सप्लायर्स. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज़, वन ऑफ द सर्विसेज इज़ कि हम यहाँ पे आपको कोलैबोरेटेड बॉक्सेस दे सकते हैं ऑन अ प्लेटफॉर्म एंड with assured quality. You will never have to worry about the quality or somebody cheating you or somebody giving you inferior stuff. No. We will take care for the brand. You are trusting us and we will hand pick vendors for corporate boxes and make sure that the quality and the pricing is secured for you. That's one of the examples. Another example is we have a company called GetAina. They specialize in image formation for D2C brands. So that's another company. Then there are many logistic companies that are partnering with us, hiring companies that are partnering with us, because a lot of need for good talent is there. D2C is only going to increase in coming years as a sector. So a lot of people will be needed. That's another core problem. Some of the brands that have asked us for trained talent. I can give you some examples. Wakefit has asked us for some talent. Sujata has asked us for some talent. Open Secret has asked for some talent. So it's a big problem, and a founder has to deal with a lot of these issues. Some of these issues which can be automated, some of these issues that can be solved on a platform. We are trying to do that through our B2B marketplace. So now what's in it for the brand? We would request you to register with RetailMate and give us your requirements. We have a form over there you can submit and somebody from the team will contact you. And I'll give my number as well. I want to talk to these brands. I'll just give you some context about myself. We have been operating with D2C brands for last almost 5-6 years, largely on Amazon, but on other platforms as well. We do plan to open up other platforms soon. So this has been a magical journey. We believe we can add a lot of value. There's a lot of inefficiencies that we can reduce. So that was largely it. I just wanted to introduce what RetailMate does, and I will be sharing more such content in coming days quite frequently. I love driving. I love sharing our knowledge. I will try to club these two and keep you updated. फिर मिलते हैं.